Welcome to the CyberQ YouTube channel, your ultimate destination for mastering the art of ethical hacking and cybersecurity. Module 3, Scanning Networks, Lab 1, Perform Host Discovery. Network scanning refers to a set of procedures performed to identify the hosts, ports, and services running in a network. Host discovery is the process of identifying active hosts in the target network. Task 1. Perform host discovery using Nmap. Task 2. Perform host discovery using Angry IP Scanner. Task 1. Perform host discovery using Nmap. Nmap is a utility tool used for network discovery, network administration, and security auditing. It is also used to perform tasks such as network inventory, managing service upgrade schedules, and monitoring host or service uptime. The following are commands for host discovery in Nmap. Let's apply theory in practical scenarios. Task 1. Perform host discovery using Nmap. Open Kali/Parrot OS. Open terminal. Enter command sudo su for root permission. The following are commands for host discovery in Nmap. Task 2. Perform host discovery using Angry IP Scanner. Angry IP Scanner is an open-source and cross-platform network scanner designed to scan IP addresses as well as ports. It simply pings each IP address to check if it is alive, then, optionally by resolving its hostname, determines the MAC address, scans ports, etc. The amount of gathered data about each host can be extended with plugins. Let's apply theory in practical scenarios. Task 2. Perform host discovery using Angry IP Scanner. Open Windows OS. Open Angry IP Scanner. Download link below. enter IP range, and follow the steps. Click Start icon. Scanning complete. Host scanned 23, host alive 7, with open ports 4.